Hi, this is Keshav. I am a Python trainer in PySpiders, and this is our student. He got placed recently, and he is going to share his experience.
Hi, I am Anand. I'm from Global Academy of Technology. Graduated as Electronics and Communication Engineer in 2025. I joined PySpiders in the month of March, and initially we started with manual and Python simultaneously, where manual was taught by Gowtham Sir and Pradeep Sir, and Python was taught by Keshav Sir. Later on, soon after completing my Python, we started with Selenium, which was taught by Lakshmi Prasad Sir. Later on, SQL was also taught before that by Vinod Sir. Yeah, so soon after that, after so grooming and mock interviews helped me a lot to get into the company, and it was a very good experience in your PySpiders. So at the beginning you might feel it a bit hectic, but it's all worth it at the end of the day. So yeah, thank you.
Okay, nice. And we wish him all the best and congratulations.
Thank you.